Hi everyone. So in this week's AI tech news, we have first, is Apple about to launch the AI phone? Second, AI enabling robots to have real conversations. Third news is about China running a 250 mile per hour train over next year. Number four, LinkedIn adding games to in platform. And last news that I want to share with you is the potential arrival of the 3-day work week. Let's start with Apple, which is reportedly in active discussions to integrate Google's generative AI into the next iPhone software update. So similar negotiations have also taken place with OpenAI around the use of ChatGPT and DALL-E. This potential partnership with Google would enable Apple to leverage Google's Gemini AI for enhanced services such as chatbots and image generators within the iOS 18, which is planned for release later this year. With over a billion iPhone users, such a collaboration could significantly expand Google's Gemini reach. However, if negotiations fail, Apple has plenty of other options like OpenAI, Anthropics, and more. Let's talk about robots. Having recently raised more than 600 million, Figure AI revealed a breakthrough as its humanoid robots engage in real-time conversations.
I see a red apple on a plate in the center of the table, a drying rack with cups and a plate, and you standing nearby with your hand on the table.
So this follows Figure's collaboration deal with OpenAI to enhance AI models for its robotics. Their creation, which is named Figure 01, mimics human abilities and aims to address labor shortages across various sectors. The robots are seen identifying kitchen items, performing chores while conversing. All this accelerates Figure's commercial goals and opens up new frontiers in industries already facing labor shortages. Let's talk now about trains. With China's high-speed rail is the fastest in the world, operating at 350 kilometers per hour today, and has plans to increase to 400 kilometers per hour in 2025. The safety is powered by an AI system located in Beijing, which processes real-time data nationwide, alerting maintenance teams of issues within 40 minutes with 95% accuracy, facilitating swift repairs. The AI application even mitigates rail movements due to winds, enhancing safety on massive bridges. Remarkably, no major track irregularities required speed reduction in the last year has been identified. Meanwhile, the US railway averages 2,800 derailments every year. Plus, China is continuing its goal of having every city with more than 500,000 people connected by speed train network. Let's talk now about LinkedIn that is looking at adding puzzle-based games into the platform. The goal is to infuse fun, foster deeper connections, and stimulate conversations about users. Notably, game scores may also serve to rank companies based on their employees' performance. So it's not clear whether these games will be accessible to all users or exclusively to premium users, but it's not difficult to see parallels with the strategy used by Facebook and the New York Times with games like Farmville or Wordle that are boosting engagements on those platforms. And maybe you'll be headhunted in the future on the platform based on your scores, not just on your resume. Finally, with JP Morgan Chase CEO Jamie Dimon and Bill Gates both foreseeing AI contributing to shorter work weeks, there is actually a legislation that is being proposed to make this happen in the next 4 years. Bernie Sanders has proposed the 32-hour Workweek Act that is aiming to reduce the standard US workweek from 40 to 32 hours over 4 years without cutting any pay. Sanders argues that advancements in AI and automation justify this change. He emphasizes that the benefits of increased productivity should prioritize the working class. Frontline workers are currently being impacted by decades of automation and factory robots. This time around, it's white-collar professions like lawyers that are expected to be impacted by technology. So it seems a bit early to know how to force the sharing of any benefits. Thanks for watching and see you next week.